Are you tired of your garden being a buffet for all the neighborhood critters? Are you tired of your wife coming and crying because all of her plants keep getting gobbled up and she doesn't get to see the fruits of her labor? Well, it's easy as a net to stop the critters in their place. Literally, it's not gonna harm them, it's not gonna kill them, and it is gonna protect your plants. I put it over all my hydrangeas, you put it over your hostas, anything that deers and critters like to nibble on. If you cover it with a net, the plants will still get the sun, they'll still get the rain, but they're protected from getting eaten. This net is easy to get. You can get it at any home improvement store. You can get it at any garden center, your local nurseries. They're gonna be able to provide you with this. It's very inexpensive, it's lightweight. What's nice about this is it's gonna protect your plants, but it's not gonna hurt the animals. There's no traps, there's no poisons, there's none of that stuff. It's literally just a net that you put over your plants to protect them from getting eaten and nibbled on. In my neighborhood, where we have a lot of critters, you gotta do something. A net has been our most effective way.